you should fit. Literally.
Over here. Little help.
Dynamite is made of rock candy. Delicious.
So this crazy king is your old friend Booney?
Oh, you calling old? Okay, I'm old. Why did you do all this instead of just telling Aang who you were? First of all, it's pretty fun messing with people. But I do have a reason. And you have a difficult task ahead. The world has changed in the 100 years you've been gone. It's the duty of the Avatar to restore balance to the world by defeating Fire Lord Ozai. You have much to learn. You must master the fourth element and confront the Fire Lord. And when you do, I hope you will think like a mad genius. And it looks like you're in good hands. You'll need your friends to help you defeat the Fire Nation. And you'll need Momo, too.
Thank you for that. But before we leave, I have a challenge for you.
With one of our favorites, the most powerful stealth robot in the Earthing military. Get ready, Falcon.
That's my booty. That's my booty. Oh.
That nigga was messing that chicken up, boy.
That is my booty. When he first did it, it was just all around it.
Booty, the chicken was good. Booty. Lawante.
Oh, man.
Your chicken was good. If you y'all recording me eating.
Go put that plate up if you don't.